Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VARSHITHA'S tutorial. Education give wings to thoughts. Let us go. Today we are discussing about major internal structures of the body.
Today, in this video, first we will discuss about the location of each and every major internal structures. Then after we will be discussing about the functions of each and every major internal structures. Okay? This white color part which is located in the throat region is called as larynx, and the part just below the larynx is called as thyroid gland, and this part is called as heart. On the other sides of the heart, we have two lungs, right lung and left lung. And just below the lungs, we have diaphragm. And this part is called as liver. It is the largest organ in the body. And this part just below the liver is called as stomach. And this green colon-like structure is called as large intestine. And this part is called as small intestine. And this is called as larynx, greater omentum.
Recap.
Larynx, thyroid gland, heart, right lung, left lung, diaphragm, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, greater omentum.
Next we will discuss about the functions of the body. Larynx.
The larynx houses the vocal cords that open to allow breathing, close to protect the windpipe when swallowing, and vibrate to give voice. The noise made by the larynx is changed by the tongue, lips, and gums to generate speech.
Thyroid gland.
The thyroid gland is a vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in the metabolism, growth, and development of the human body. It helps to regulate many body functions by constantly releasing a steady amount of thyroid hormones into the bloodstream.
The diaphragm.
The diaphragm, located below the lungs, is the major muscle of respiration. It is a large dome shaped muscle that contracts rhythmically and continually, and most of the time involuntarily. Upon inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and flattens, and the chest cavity enlarges.
Heart.
Heart is a major organ in the circulatory system. It helps to pump the blood.
Lung.
Lungs helps in the respiration. It is a major organ in the respiratory system.
Liver.
More than 500 vital functions have been identified with the liver. Some of the more well-known functions include the following. Production of bile, which helps carry away waste and break down fats in the small intestine during digestion. Production of certain proteins for blood plasma.
Large intestine.
The large intestine is also called the colon and the large bowel. The job of your large intestine is to absorb water, minerals, and some of the remaining nutrients from the food. It will change the leftover waste into a bowel movement. This is also called as stool.
Small intestine.
The small intestine carries out most of the digestive process, absorbing almost all of the nutrients you get from food into your bloodstream. The walls of the small intestine make digestive juices or enzymes that work together with enzymes from the liver and pancreas to do this.
Greater omentum.
The greater omentum prevents the parietal and visceral peritoneum of the abdominal cavity from adhering to each other. For example, it prevents the parietal peritoneum lining the anterior abdominal wall from sticking to the visceral peritoneum of the ileum.
That's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.